Hey Mika, why did you eat your lunch?
Nagugutom kasi ako sa paglalakad eh.
Pero wala ka nang kakainin mamayang tanghalian.
Sanay na ako.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Boycer.
Sit down. How are you today?
We're fine.
Who can recall our last discussion yesterday? Yes, Miss Mary?
Our last discussion yesterday is about the solar system.
Yeah, very good. So, who can define solid? Yes, Mika? Okay, anyone? Yes?
Solid. Solid is a state of matter with a definite shape, size, color, texture, weight, and volume.
Yes. Mika, bakit hindi ka pumasa ng iyong assignment?
Nakalimutan ko po.
Okay, stand up. Class dismissed.
Goodbye and thank you, Miss Boycer.
Okay. May napapansin ka mo kay Mika?
Si Mika, bakit? Ano napansin mo?
Palagi kasi siyang matamlay at napapansin ko pumapayat din siya eh.
Oo nga, kanina napansin ko rin yan. Late siya.
Ano kayang maaaring gawin natin?
Siguro ako na lang magsasabi ni ma'am. Ako na bahala yan. Huwag ka nang magsabi ng iba. Okay na yan.
Okay, sige.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. May concern po sana ako, ma'am, tungkol sa kaklase namin si Mika. Ano yun? Umupo ka muna. Napapasin kasi namin, ma'am, na palagi siyang late. Tapos yung baon niya, ma'am, pinakain niya na sa umaga. Tapos, wala siyang assignment palagi, ma'am. Napapansin ko din yun. Ano pa ang iyong napapansin? Yun lang din, ma'am. Sana, ma'am, mabigyan siya ng action, ma'am, kasi nakakaawa po siya, ma'am. Ipapadating ko ito sa ating school head. Ako na ang bahala. Okay po, ma'am. Maraming salamat, ma'am. Salamat din. Good morning, Miss Principal.
Good morning. Ano yun?
May concern po ako.
Upo ka muna.
Isa sa aking estudyante ang nakapansin sa kanyang kaklase niya. Matamlay daw at napapansin ko rin hindi aktibo sa klase. At yun nga, namamayat.
Ganun ba?
Opo.
Palagay ko ay malnutrition yan. Kaya mukhang kinakailangan nating magpatawag ng pulong or PTA meeting upang nang sa gayon ay maagapan natin ang problemang yan. Kaya bukas na bukas, mag-set ka ng PTA meeting at ipatawag mo ang lahat ng school officials, lalong-lalo na ang magulang ng batang iyan at ang ating barangay official.
Sige ma'am, salamat. Ako na po ang mag-aasik-asik.
Okay.
ate.
Nagkasama ko po. Yan, sakot na na.
Siguro yung estudyante, hapla ako man. RP na na.
Good morning, Muma. Good morning. Magandang araw sa lahat.
Magandang araw po, Mrs. Principal.
Magsiupo. Thank you for being here today. As you know, we are gathered here to address the pressing issue affecting our students, which is malnutrition. This issue is very crucial, so we are here to find solutions and support the well-being of our students.
Yes, Principal. I've noticed some students struggling in class due to hunger and fatigue. For example, Mika walks a long distance at school every day and often arrives hungry. Additionally, many students miss out on breakfast due to various reasons.
Ang problema na hinaharap natin ay lubhang nakakabahala. No student should have to go through this. It's not fair that some students are at disadvantages because of things they can't control, lalo na sa sitwasyon ng kanilang pamilya.
Mika's situation just shows the interconnectedness of factors contributing to malnutrition. The lack of access of food and long distances to school drives the problem. We need to address these issues at both local community and school levels.
I agree. As a PT officer, I believe na maaari tayong magtaguyod o magbigay tulong sa transportasyon para sa mga mag-aaral tulad ni Mika. We can also explore partnerships with local organizations to provide food support. And also, we can work on implementing breakfast program at school upang matiyak na ang lahat ng mga mag-aaral ay may access sa masustansyang pagkain to start their day.
Absolutely. No child should choose between the education and basic necessities, and I am guilty for that, knowing that malaki ang aking pagkulang sa aking anak, especially in this matter. Hindi ko siya nasubaybayan dahil sa ako ay work from abroad. Kakauwi ko pa lamang nung nakaraang linggo, so we should prioritize their well-being. As a parent, we can work together to ensure that our children will have the access to nutritious meals at home.
I agree. Let's work together to address these underlying issues and ensure that all our students have the support they need to thrive.
I am grateful for all your support. It's been difficult, but knowing that you all care, it gives me hope.
Mika, your courage is admirable. Don't worry, we will support you every step of the way. Now, let's continue to discuss further concrete solutions to this problem. Anyone?
I have an idea. What if we organize a program that distributes free access of food to students, like veggies and fruits during recess time to them? We can involve local businesses and organizations to impact these plans or projects.
I love that idea, Ms. Gromboy. It aligns perfectly with our values of solidarity and compassion. By providing such workshop, we not only address immediate needs but also empower individuals to make healthier choices for themselves and their families, fostering a sense of resilience and self-sufficiency within our community.
Also, we can implement a breakfast program at school to ensure that all students start their day with a nutritious meal. And I know that it would really help to improve the academic performance of our students.
That's a great suggestion, ma'am. Maaari nating pakilusin ang mga voluntaryo upang tumulong sa pagpapatakbo ng programa at tiyakin ang tagumpay nito.
I love all your ideas. Let's put them into action.
Thank you so much to all the staffs and officials of these schools. I know these concrete solutions you made right now will help the students in this school, especially my child, Mika. And I am very thankful for your unwavering support for the improvement of the school of the students in these schools. I did not regret the fact that I enrolled my daughter there. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat sa lahat. Makakaasa kayo na sisimulan agad natin na aksyonan ang mga iminungkahi ninyo as soon as possible to help improve the well-being of our students and for the betterment of our school community. Maraming salamat sa inyong partisipasyon. Meeting adjourned.